Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope you all is fine, will be well. May Allah Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the beautiful crochet blouses designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing videos to your pupil in the. If you like videos today, if with friends and family members, you can't many view videos from my videos, very helpful and useful for you guys. So I keep will sharing similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let in the comment box how will like and subscribe you want the videos related to crochet. Visit my channel Crochet Lovers now, did to the work yourself, and if you guys too, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for you. Type is very popular in the country and girls love such videos. Amazing, every videos has a lovely designs for you. Don't miss my every videos on my channel. So viewers, today is with I will share with you some different designs. We will sharing the all videos kind of crochet related. I am very happy that you like my videos and leave good comments. Please let me in no comment. Video is very helpful and grateful. You got many ideas from my videos. So friends, take care, bye.